they got? Me. The best thing in the whole entire world. Period. Okay, no cap. Whatever the young kids say nowadays, okay? Alright? I'm the best thing you're gonna see all day today. I don't care what anybody got to say about that. Alright? Am I biased? I surely am. You know, I own my biasness. So, But anyway, what's going on, everybody? Happy Tuesday. We're here to have a good time. It's a little overcast, but that's okay. We still have a good time no matter what. Get a churro maybe, have a carrot, I don't know, maybe some celery. Ooh, that sounds really good. A celery stick. A celery stick sounds delicious. So good. You two back there, y'all like celery? Interesting. I'm gonna watch you two. Keep my eyes on you two.
Know what floor this is? I'm trying to get back to my apartment. I've been lost for days. It's not all bad though. I don't like to brag, but I did find half a cheese puff here yesterday. How come you guys don't have collars on? Are you lost? If you need help, you are definitely talking to the wrong guy. You should go find Maggie. They always help me when I'm lost. Now if I can only remember where they live. Keep sniffing around and you'll find them. Yeah, this elevator's taking forever.
Ooh, Daisy, you a fluffy genius.
Yes?
Yeah, do that.
All of them? Sure, but they don't exactly look house-trained.
Hey, maybe I could adopt one.
Duke, I love you, man, but you are barely house-trained yourself.
Yeah, true. Hey, you guys should go see Snowball.
That's a good idea. He helps all kinds of animals.
And he does it in a cape. So, you know he's a hero.
Garbage truck! Beat it! Sorry.
We have to yell at it to leave, or it'll just stay there.
This place would be wall-to-wall garbage trucks and mailmen if it wasn't for us.
Yes, they are. Where's Pickles? What are you doing over there?
I pooped in a boot. Your owner will find it for weeks.
It won't so fast. That's this different.
That's me. That's you. That's the pet store. Now I made it my personal mission to get all of you stray puppy dogs adopted. And I will not let you down. And then I'm gonna frame this, because this is work product. Now keep going this way. We're gonna sneak through the building storage area. If anyone discovers you, it's all over. But don't worry, everyone will be looking at me. All right, keep it moving. You in the back, why are you moving so slow? Use that puppy energy. Move it. Move it! Or lose cell phone privileges. I mean, come on. Look at you. Now you definitely got fleas, don't you? And it's cool, because I got it too. So you can tell me, is the new greatest plan ever created. There's an adoption event happening.
She is just bitter with her place in life. She just mad because she not a dime. It's gonna be fine, okay? Just listen to Captain Sullivan and do exactly what he said.
Never know what to say.
Super cool, high-tech drunk.
That's so exciting. I'm gonna die, everyone!
Come on! Go down this dark alley. Don't worry. If there was danger, my brain senses would warn us.
Good luck, puppies. Be careful.
Don't need anything weird off the sidewalk.
Check out my buddy cop. Yeah, a flying bird. You can go home now. You've officially seen it all.
Hurry up, guys. Don't have much time. That's for
Follow me, guys. I've yet to lose a single puppy. And I know it. Don't be jealous. Some of us get boxes. Some of us get super cool high-tech drugs. Come on. Go down this dark alley. Don't worry. If there was danger, my brain senses would warn us. Check out my buddy cop. Yeah, a flying bunny. You can go home. Your journey to see the hearts and walls inside the vehicle. Yeah, a flying bunny. You can go home now. What are you filthy brats doing? Okay, good one, guys.
Some of my best friends! Who is that? Oh, my ears!
I'm going to strap myself to a rocket. These rockets going to get us to the next door twice as fast. This plan was crazy. It shouldn't work.
This is gonna be great. You're gonna be all clean and fluffy, and you're gonna get adopted in no time.
What did I tell you?
Ooh, you guys are not gonna get adopted looking like that.
That's it! You guys got homes! Yeah! That's right, even you! You were tough, but I got you home.
You guys leaving already? I just found this place.
Welcome.
Olha ele aí, Theo.